Good morning, my dear students. We have started chapter 6, Greenland, a land in tundra region. Open your book on page number 39. On the top of this page, you can write today's date. So let's start. Relief features. Relief means in this topic, in this paragraph, we will study about the surface of Greenland, of surface of the earth. We can say surface of the earth, or how is the level of the ground. So we will study about that. Greenland has a mountainous surface. Mountainous means it has not a plain top like Punjab. So it has a mountainous surface. So almost the whole of Greenland remains covered with thick layers of ice. So these thick layers of ice are called ice caps. Okay, this layer is quite thick, and at some places it is about 2 kilometers deep. Okay, so it has an area of about 21.5 lakh square kilometers. So you can underline this. Internal question will come from this line. It has an area of about 21.5 lakh square kilometers. Okay, so the name of Greenland has been given so as to attract settlers from other countries. Okay, so it is not green, but its name is green, Greenland. So how its name is given to attract the outsiders to settle in this country. Otherwise 80% of this area remains covered with ice and snow throughout the year. Okay, then next fact, Erik and Red, it is the name of the Norwegian explorer. He gave this name to Greenland. Okay, he gave this name to this island. Okay, Greenland. Next, about 2/3 of its area lies within the Arctic Circle. The average thickness of ice cover is about 1500 meters. Okay, then the capital of Greenland is Nuuk, Godthab. Okay, next, huge floating pieces of ice that break off and slide into the sea are called icebergs. They keep floating till they melt. You can see this picture. Huge piece of ice moving in the sea, and they are moving till melt. Okay, so these are called icebergs. Okay, next, climate. Let us see about the climate. Climate of Greenland is extremely cold. Its temperature rarely rises above the freezing point. Summers are cool and short. There is continuous daylight for weeks. Next, winters are long, bitterly cold, dark and gloomy. Chilly winds blow at high speed of above 150 kilometers per hour. Okay, so chilly winds blow at a high speed of about 150 kilometers per hour speed. Okay, then Dras in Jammu Kashmir in India, in the state of Jammu Kashmir, there is a place Dras. It has a condition similar to that of Greenland. Okay, then vegetation. We know plants cannot grow when the temperature is below 4 degrees Celsius. The temperature in Greenland remains near or below freezing point. Okay, so trees cannot grow in this climatic condition. So Greenland is a barren land. During short summers, small plants come up which are less than 2 feet in height. So mosses and lichens are the natural vegetation of this region. So mosses and lichens are the small plants near about 2 feet height, and they come up, they grow during the short summer season. Other plants of this region are wild grasses, shrubs and bushes, then blueberries and cranberries. So this is all about the vegetation of this Greenland. Next, let us look at the animals. Only those animals are found in Greenland which can survive the extremely cold climate. A peculiar animal found in this region is the muskox. It has long shaggy coat which almost reaches the ground. The reindeer is the most common animal of this region. So underline this. The reindeer is the most common animal in this region. Next, other animals found in this region are the Arctic hare, the Arctic fox, the Arctic wolf, then many more. You can read this. The fur of fox and the polar bear is used for making fur coats. Then huskies are dog-like animals which are used for hunting and pulling carts, which we are studied. These are called sledges. Here you can see the picture of sledge, and these huskies, dog-like animals, are pulling these carts. Okay. Next, life of people. The climatic conditions are very harsh and challenging. Therefore, the population is very small because we human beings can't survive in such type of conditions. Extremely bitter cold climate is there. So look at this picture of Eskimos. They are the original inhabitants of Greenland. Original inhabitants means they are the native people of Greenland. Okay, so native people of Greenland are called Eskimos. Okay, native people basically जो वहाँ के रहने वाले हैं, जो स्टार्टिंग से वहाँ रह रहे हैं ना, so basically the native people of the Greenland are called Eskimos. Okay, then next, they are short and stout and have narrow black eyes and a flat face. Another name of the Eskimos is the Inuits. They live in small villages along the southwest coast. The lifestyle of these people has undergone many changes in the last few years, as Greenland has been connected to cities in Europe and North America. So the influence of science and technology has brought about drastic changes in the snowland.